If the sum to infinity of the following series is 14 over 9, find the value of d. So we are given with the series 3 plus d times 1 over 4, 3 plus 2d times 1 over 4 square, and so on up to infinity. We can call this series as S. Here, the AP part is 3 plus d, 3 plus 2d, and so on. This is the AP portion of this series. And the GP part of this series is 3 times 1. So 1 over 4, 1 over 4 square, and so on up to infinity. Here, the value of A is 3 and D is given as D. And here A is 1 and the common ratio is 1 over 4. Whenever we are given with AGP and we want to find the sum, we find R, we multiply the given series by R. So you multiply the given series by R, so it will be 1 over 4 times S is equal to 3 times 1 over 4 plus 3 plus D times 1 over 4 squared, 3 plus 2D times 1 over 4 cubed, and so on up to infinity. And then you subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So if we subtract equation 2 from equation 1, we club the terms with same GP parts. So 3 plus D times 1 over 4 minus 3 times 1 over 4. 3 plus 2D times 1 over 4 square will be clubbed with 3 plus D times 1 over 4 square. So if you keep the first term as it is and the last term, if it is not up to infinity, as it is. So subtracting these two, we get 3 over 4 times S is equal to 3 plus, so it was 3 plus D minus 3 times 1 over 4 plus 3 plus 2D minus 3 plus D, so minus 3 minus D times 1 over 4 square, and so on up to infinity. That is same as 3 over 4 times S, 3 plus, here 3 will cancel out, so you have D times 1 over 4. Second part will be, again 3 will cancel out, and 2D minus D is D, so it's D times 1 over 4 square, and so on. So you have 3 over 4 times S is equal to 3 plus D common from these terms. We have 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 square, and so on up to infinity. This is infinite GP. And for infinite GP, the sum of terms is given as A. A here is 1 over 4 over 1 minus R. So 1 minus R is also 1 over 4 in this case. 1 over 4. And if you simplify, this will be 3 plus D times 1 over 4 divided by 3 over 4. 1 over 4 divided by 3 over 4 is 1 over 3. So it's D over 3. So from here we get 3 over 4 S is equal to 3 plus D over 3. We are given with the value of sum of the series. That sum of the series is 44 over 9. That is equal to 3 plus D over 3. We can take 3 on the other side and multiply both sides by 3 to get rid of this 3, right? So 3 over 4 times 44 over 9 minus 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to the value of D. And we can simplify this further. So we can cancel out 4 and 44, that is 11. We can cancel 3 and 9. So you get 11 over 3 minus 3 times 3. That's the value of D. Simplifying it further, you get 11 minus 9, that is 2. So the value of D is 2.